Kani gadega Patisi TV.
Tnat mining and geology jong Sarkar Meghalaya ne kasingi kalai trek Jembang kala pelong ya Jingïalang bani merjengbut Halor ka kamti doyong hakani ka jala Meghalaya ya kani ka Jingïalang la pelong ha State Convention Center Shillong hakamau Dr. Mukul Sangma menteri rang ba ka jala Meghalaya laidon lang ringkat jingsendan lang do menteri bakmi kikam poyeng ka jala ba HDR lingdo ba Justin Dekhar MLA bat kiwi kintup ki Sarkar na Tnat mining and geology Halor kini laidon lang ru Additional Chief Secretary Tnat Mining and Geology Wai Sering MN Nampoi but kit khot ng kisang ki papit ngor ya kamti doyong hakal lang ki chaka jong jala.
You see, for any government in a given political situation under the backdrop of our democratic system, for any government of the day, government is formed as per the mandate of the people. So the mandate to any political party to form government, after formation of the government, to come up with a policy which can also have political ramification is always not easy. It's one of the most challenging tasks. That's the reason maybe in the past, none of the governments actually came up with a policy. Because when you say that, okay, mining will be regulated by a relevant policy to conform to the statutory laws, you know, it definitely creates a kind of debate. It generates a debate. And the debate can actually ultimately culminate into a lot of, you know, politicization. That is where, you know, for any government of the day, taking decision in the interest of the state, in the interest of the people, with a futuristic look becomes difficult. I want to be very frank. And it is always good to be frank, because where we are today is also because of the fact that this whole issue of coal mining activities and the ban by Honorable NGT thereof has been politicized. It has been politicized. It has been so much politicized that there has been loss of lives also, which was uncalled for, which was not needed. Many people have tried to, you know, fish in a troubled water. And therefore, there was a need for government to actually be very cautious and watchful. Therefore, my first, my intention is to first sensitize all of you that this particular issue has been politicized, and this is the time now not to politicize it anymore. Not to politicize it anymore.
Kani gadega Patisi TV.